This is a very late September BirchBox, or should I say bag. This is their birthday bag. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a quick one. I'm not doing a full length video on this because this is my September BirchBox and today is the 10th of October. So yeah, it's just going to be a quick one. It's £12.95 per month. I will link it down below in the information box if you're interested. If you click the link, you'll get your first box. You get the 3, 6 or 12 month subscription at 30% discount, which I suppose is good if it arrives on time. I'm not going to read through all the information and all of that. We are just going to have a quick look at the product. Okay, so it's not in a box. This is a bag and it's a very interesting colour combination. I love the feel of it. It just feels like a towel. It's a toweling material. So yeah, it's BirchBox's 12th birthday. This is the birthday box. And this edit is called Joy Cannot Be Contained. Discover yours. First product we have is this. So this is by the brand Sukin, nice brand indeed, and this is Original Hydrating Mist Toner. It's 50 mils that you get in here, and it is chamomile and rose. That's a very, very strong rose scent. So if you don't like rose, you ain't gonna like this. Luckily, thank goodness, I don't mind it. This has an RRP of £7.95. I suppose that's for a full size product. This isn't a full size, it doesn't state that it is in any way. Number 2 we have is this. So this is by the brand Jekka Black and it is a hydrate primer. This just says, oh, this is a full size, it is 20 mils and this has an RRP of £16. Jekka Black, we've received a few products from them. It's been okay. We tend to get the same products to try from them, but yeah, we'll give that a go and see what it's like. Product number 3 we have is this. So this is by the brand Kinda Beauty, and this is a full-size product and it has an RRP of £16. Have we received this before in another beauty box? So yes, here is my other one. I don't know what box I received it in. I really cannot remember at all, but it's an eyeshadow. It's a trio of eyeshadows. The one I received a few months ago in a different box is Romantic Rose. Thank goodness this is a different shade. This is Nature Neutral, and that is what that looks like. So I'm just gonna swatch all three just to see what they are like. Oh wow, I love that. That neutral, the matte shade, definitely my kind of shade, and them shimmers are beautiful. Number 4 we have is this. So this is by the brand Wild Science Labs. If I could talk, it would be brilliant. And this has, if it was a full size, this has an RRP of £38. Obviously that is not a full size. We get 10 mils in here. And this is Night Watch Resilient Moisturiser. It's got 1% bak choli, I hope I'm saying that correctly, and hyaluronic acid. It just says rejuvenate skin, texture, replenish and strengthen. Sounds bloody awesome. The product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand yeah, it's that brand right there. And it is Scalp Shampoo. But we put all shampoo on the scalp, don't we? I don't know, but there's 30 mils in here. For a full size product it would be £16. Obviously this is not full size. There's 30 mils that you get in here, and spoiler, we do not get a matching conditioner. I'm sure the people who watch my channel regular are like, oh my god, she's off again, but guys, I really like a scent. And of course that would normally be it, but not forgetting the bag that it came in. So when I first saw it, I was like, wow, that is very, very garish indeed. But you know what? The more I'm looking at it, the more it's actually really, really growing on me. I'm loving the block bright colours. It's a nice check, just a cotton in there. And then, like I say, it was like a toweling material. And what I like about it, it is unisex. It's not screaming feminine at all. I don't think, is it? To me, it's not. I don't think so. But yeah, nice handy little size. Right guys, so that is my September box. So it definitely loses points because I got it so late, but the contents of the box, it's all right. I'm really loving the neutral trio eyeshadow. That is stunning, really stunning. Very cute. Primer, I don't normally use primer very often. I do every now and then just to mix things up a bit, so I'll definitely be giving it a try. I'm sure we've received 1 or 2 of these in other beauty boxes. I've not received that before, so really excited to get that night moisturizer on my face. I want a conditioner to go with the shampoo, and yeah, a mist toner in rose. Cool. I really do like the box, I really do. Not a bad little birthday box, if I do say so myself, but I'm being huffy because it was late. So we'll just conclude the video right there. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and we will see you in the next one.